Hello students, good morning. I am Neelam Jain here, teaching you maths. In my first video, I have taught you about the fractions. What are fractions? Types of fraction. I have taught you in the first video of fraction. Types of fractions were proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fractions. Proper fraction was when the numerator is less than the denominator, then that type of fraction is called proper fraction. And improper fraction, when the numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator, then that type of fraction was improper. And mixed fraction is a combination of whole and fraction. When you divide the improper fraction, you get like it was 13 upon 4 fours, 13 divided by 4, 4 3 is 12, and this was quotient whole remainder 1 divisor, 3 whole 1 upon 4. This type of fraction is mixed fraction. This is mixed fraction, and proper fraction was 3 upon 7. When the numerator is less than the denominator, this type of fraction is proper fraction. And improper fraction, when the numerator is greater than the denominator. This is numerator, 3 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Then this is called improper fraction. इसको हम बोलते हैं improper fraction. Okay. Then, today we are going to discuss about like fractions and unlike fractions. What are like fractions? The fractions having same denominator. The fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. जैसे एग्जाम्पल लेंगे आप 3 upon 7, 8 upon 7, 9 upon 7, 13 upon 7. In these all the 4 fractions, I am getting 4, 4, 4. Denominator same, and these type of fractions are called like fractions. Now let's read about this unlike fraction. Fractions having different denominators. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Like numerator will be different, 3 upon 7, 9 upon 8, 11 upon 13, 17 upon 31. Here 7, 8, 13, 31. These are denominators, all are different. All are different. And these types of fraction will be called unlike fraction. Today we are going to learn comparing and ordering fractions. When you are given two fractions and in exam you are asked to compare which is greater, less than or equal to. For that, like I have taken example this 5 upon 6 and 2 upon 9. Which fraction is greater? Here you are not having like fractions here. When like fractions are there, then there is no problem. When there is example of unlike fractions. What is the procedure? You will find LCM of 6 and 9. You will find LCM of denominator. Find LCM of denominators. Denominators of both the fractions. Now what is LCM of 6 and 9? Take 3, it is divisible by 6 and 9 divisible by 3, 2 is 6, 3 3 are 9. Again 3 or 2, 1, 2, 1. What have you got? 3 3 are 9. LCM 3 into 3 into 2. 18. It is 18. Now you have got LCM 18. Now you convert this 5 upon 6 with the denominator 18. With the denominator 18. Which is, you will convert the denominator of this first fraction equal to the LCM. 5 upon 6. Now, how this 6 will become 18 equal to LCM? LCM equal to LCM. What is the procedure? 18 is LCM. This is denominator. Divide by this 6. You have got 3. Means this number came into mind कि when you will multiply 6 by 3. How you have got this 3? By dividing the LCM by denominator. You have got 3. Now 3. You will multiply and divide the complete fraction by 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Now take next fraction 2 upon 9. Now with which number you will multiply this 9 to get 18 equal to the LCM? You will divide 18 by this number 9. 18, this LCM will be taken as dividend, divide by 9. Now you have got the number 2. Means the number which is to be multiplied by 9. Then only you will get 18. Multiply and divide this fraction 2 upon 9 by 2. You will get 4, 2 2 ja 4, 9 2 ja 18. In this way, 15 upon 18 and 4 upon 18. You have got like fractions? Like fractions. Now which is greater? 15 is greater or 4 is greater? 15 is greater. 15 is greater. Then this will be the greater fraction. When you are already given the 11 upon 17, 13 upon 17, already fractions are like. Other example. Then what will you say? 11 is greater or 13 is greater? 13 is greater. This fraction will be greater. One other method is also there of comparing these fractions. One other method is by cross multiplying. By cross multiplying. Very easy method. Here you will just cross multiply 9. 5 9 ja 45 and 6 2 ja 12. 6 2 ja 12. Now which is greater? 45 is greater than 12. How this 45 came? Here when I multiply 5 by 9, this fraction will be greater. 5 upon 6 will be greater. Here what was actually this fraction? 5 upon 6 greater than 2 upon 9. Actually 4 upon 18 was 2 upon 9. This is very easy method to compare two of the fraction by cross multiplying. And one other method, when you are given some question related to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Arrange the fractions in ascending order. First of all, our first step is you have got these three fractions and you are asked to write in ascending or descending order. I am concentrating on this ascending order. Ascending order I am going to arrange this. And look at the first fraction. Look at the denominators. All are different, unlike. These fractions are unlike. The first step to get all the like fraction here. To convert this unlike fraction into like fraction, take LCM of the denominators. Take LCM of the denominators. What are denominators here? Take LCM. First step is take LCM of the denominators. 6, 9 and 12. Get it? LCM of 2 3s are 6. Not in the table. 2 6s are. Then again take 2. 2 is not in this table. 3 again. 9 9 2 3s are. Now all these numbers are in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3. 3. Now what is LCM? LCM 2 2 ja 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. You have got LCM 36. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now, next step is you will convert this 5 upon 6 into the fraction which have denominator equal to 36. Equal to 36. Now, how this 5 upon 6 will become? This denominator 6 will become 36. When you divide this LCM by this denominator 6, you have got 6. Means this 5 upon 6 will multiplied and divided by 6. Now, next 2 upon 9. How this 9 will become 36? What is the procedure? This LCM take divide by this 9. 9 4s are 36. Means you will divide and multiply this fraction by 4. 2 4s are 8, 9 4s are 36. Then third fraction is 5 upon 12. How this, with which number this 12 will be multiplied to get the number denominator equal to 36? Divide this 36 LCM. Take LCM and divide by this 12. You have got 3. You have got 3. Means this fraction will be multiplied and divided by 3. You will get 5 3s are 15, 36. Now, write all these fractions here. 8 upon 36, 15 upon. Now you have got all the like fractions with equal denominators. Now comparing it is very easy. Which is smaller? This one is smaller. And this will be written here. This is less than, it's turn 15 upon 36. Now it's turn 30 upon 36. Actually, what was 8 upon 36? 8 upon 36, it was 2 upon 9. It was actually 2 upon 9. What will you write then? 2 upon 9 less than, what was 15 upon 36 actually? This was 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12 less than, greater, the greatest 30. What was 30 upon 36? Actually it was 5 upon 6. It was 5. In this way, you will arrange the fractions in ascending order by taking LCM.